Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar. Today we will solve some statement type question of rational numbers. Here the question is, the sum of the two rational number is 8 by 7. If one of the number is 1 by 14, then find the other. Okay, here we are given the sum. It means if we add two numbers, then we get 8 by 7. But one between these two number is 1 by 14. Then what will be the second number? So let the second number be x. So according to question, first number is 1 by 14 and the second number that we assumed is x and their total is 8 by 7. Clear? Now x 8 by 7 and this 1 by 14 will shift to the right hand side by the transposing method. Okay, so it will change its sign. As it is positive, therefore it will become negative on the transposing. Now I will take the LCM. What is the LCM? That is 14, as 7 and 14. And 14 is there in the table of 7 and the larger one. Therefore 14 is the LCM. 14 divided by 7, that is 2. 2 multiply with 8. 14 divided by 14, that is 1. 1 multiply with 1. Now 8 multiply 2, that is 16. And 1 multiply 1, that is 1 by 14. 16 minus 1, that is 15 by 14. This is my answer. So I can write it in the form of mixed fraction. Clear? In this way we can find the other number. Therefore required number is equal to 1 and 1 by 14. Now the statement is, what number should be added to minus 6 by 11 so as to get 4 by 9. So let the number to be added is x. So according to question, minus 6 by 11 plus x is equal to 4 by 9. Now x is there and this minus 6 by 11 will be written on the right hand side and it will change its symbol by transposing. Now 11 and 9, their LCM is 99. 99 divided by 9, that is 11. 11 multiply 4. 99 divided by 11, that is 9. Multiply by 6. 44 and 54. 99. Now x is equal to 4, 8 and 9, 98 by 9. Therefore required number is 98 over 99. In this question, the statement is, what should be added to this bracket to get this. So let in the solution, let x should be added. So according to question, x plus this bracket 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 4. Now I will solve this all rational numbers addition under the bracket. So 2, 3, 5. The LCM of 2, 3, 5 is 30. Now you will ask that how I write the LCM 30 directly. See the students, if in the denominator there are the numbers, they are not common to each other, or there is no factor common to each them, just like 2, 3 and 5, they are not, there is nothing common among these numbers, so we can multiply them and that will be their LCM. In the other way, you know the LCM, you can find the LCM. Okay, now 30 divided by 2, 15 multiply 1. 30 divided by 3, that is 10, multiply with 1. And 30 divided by 5, that is 6, multiply with 1. 15 plus 10 plus 6. 15 plus 10, that is 25. 25 plus 6, 31. 31 over 30 is equal to 4. Now this plus 31 over 30 will be go on right side by the transposing and will change its symbol. Now I will convert this into a fraction or the rational number. Now x is equal to, the LCM is 30 4 over 1 minus 31 over 30. Now the LCM is 30 divided by 1, that is 30, and multiply with 4. 30 divided by 1, 30 divided by 30, that is 1, and multiplied with 31. This is 120 minus 31 by 30. Now 9 and 8. Now the answer is 89 by 30. Therefore required number is 89 over 30, or you can write it 32 29 in the form of mixed fraction. In this way we can write the answer, and the solution is before you, the students. Now thank you.